I need help getting down.
Someone tell me how.
Actually, this guy will. Actually, if you want me to, I can. Alright, defenders on me!
Give me tape.
Yes.
You will know the struggle. Nice. Okay. Airsoft element, guys. I can do that. That's fine. Come on, team. Go to towers, 25 idiots. Towers.
Go, boys. Let's get her done. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I don't have a battery in my gun. Oh shit! I forgot to put it in. Moving field. How's everyone doing?
One grenade, I'm fucked.
One grenade, we're all
One
fucked.
fucking grenade and we're gone.
Nathan, there's a lot of people over here.
Alright.
Building with them.
Moving to red building, to the right, to the left, excuse me.
They're all behind, there's this wooden cover there. All behind.
We're at.
I think we're going.
I'll hold it for you. I got you.
Watch behind you! Yeah, there's more over there, watch it! Appreciate it, man. I got it from here.
How's that left side?
That's I only see one guy. Only one guy I see.
I might be able to get.
What's up?
I might be able to get up there. I don't really need to. I could get up to bunker though.
Don't push it.
Yeah? Don't push it or push it?
Do not.
Do not.
There's a guy looking at me right now.
Yeah.
Want to do me a favor and stick your gun in there, try to look through? Did you get him?
One of us did.
Oh yeah, I see him, I see him. Still someone behind there. I need you on the right, but stay close. I'm down, I'm down.
You done?
Yeah. Revive me.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, I want you to stick close to the building and aim the other way, alright? You're hit?
We ricochet off of it.
Alright, so that doesn't count, Penguin Man, how you doing?
He's penguiny.
He's penguiny, that is for sure.
Just straight vibing.
He do be vibing though. Can't hate on that. I see the guy. That was the wall? That's the wall. Left side! Left side! Where?
They're back that way. You can't cross that corner.
Bring your shield.
There's more on the left. I can't. Watch your corner. Watch your corner.
I get on my tip and my front. Guys, we need to pull back on VIP tower.
Copy. Protect the VIP. Moving. Bug out! Oh, sorry, man. Holy shit, I got like 5 people right there. Woo!
Oh, shit. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
First life. Fuck.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fall back. How you doing, guys?
I need that if I'm gonna kill anybody up close. Mason, hit!
I don't have a pistol, man.
Pistol that's like 5 feet in front of you.
Fuck. Cover me, man. Cover me. Pistol!
Yes. Are you so good?
Ricochets for days.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I'm not hit. The other guy's hit.
8, 9, 10. No, I'm touching him.
Oh, I thought you were touching me. My bad.
Somebody grab me. Yeah.
I'm gonna move up top to the side. Hold that.
Hold on.
Hit.
Mason's down.
How many lives do we have?
2, 1.
That was my second.
4. Then you have the attack. Oh, fuck.
Callum, how's it going? All right, from here on out, y'all can spawn at the blue car. That's what ref said. Okay. Well, you guys are good anyway, so go for it. Who wants to have fun with the shield for a little bit? No one?
Dude,
It's pretty fucking light.
you ran back there and I saw you in the back and you were just
Sitting there in the bunker looking at you there.
Oh, you were in the bunker?
Yeah, we
Oh,
took
shit.
me and another dude took the bunker right away. Shield the whole time.
Okay.
We'd see like the corner of your earmuff every once in a while.
Oh, man.
Just sitting there. We know he is.
Oh, man, when I fell back, I turned around and I saw all y'all running. I'm like, perfect fucking time.
Was that you?
Yeah.
All of a sudden.
I picked like almost all y'all out. Holy shit.
So you hit me twice.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I hold my hand up, and then they all
I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was you.
No, it's fine. I don't care.
Fuck,
It didn't
man.
hurt. I'm just laughing. Yeah, we're in. Oh, that's game.
Wait, that's game?
yeah, they called it.
Oh, shit. I didn't hear that. Woohoo! Wait, so who won?
No clue.
Oh.
Us, I think.
Ah, fuck. Damn it. Shit. There's no good spot. Ah.
Oh, hit. Fuck.
Pat's camping in the fucking corner.
Man, you know what my team name was, Mason?
What?
Team Talk Mason.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Those guys over there are down. Stop it! I'm fucking hit. Not anymore.
You two right there. And what team? What team?
They're on our team. They're on our team.
Right behind us.
What team? What team? What team is our name?
Gursky.
Gursky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gursky.
I thought it was 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are those our team?
The guy right behind us is not us.
That guy?
This thing really is cursed.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gursky. Or 5, 4. Fuck, whatever it is. Got the shield, damn it.
Sweet idea, though.
Thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gursky.
Yep.
Oh. Ah, hit.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You can shoot me. I'm assuming that you would have already shot me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What team? What's our team name?
You're on Team Spoon. I'm not anymore.
Where's that coming from? Where's that coming from?
Mason's still in.
I'm still alive, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Spoon?
Spoons. Ah, my back. Yep, that's it.
It lit up all 3 of them over there.
Ah.
Spoons.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons.
There's someone over there.
Huh? Where's Spoon?
Oh, walk me to the guy in the blue.
Ah, fuck, I'm hit. Hit.
Oh, damn.
come from. Moving into that bunker. How you doing, big man?
Mag on that.
Say again?
So dope.
That's my LMG mag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons.
There's a down person right here.
There's a down person? Oh, I see him. Yep. Hey, that guy's getting the other guy up over there.
He's getting up.
Just missed him.
Oh, they're both down. Go. They're both down. Here, I'll go for the car guy.
Alright. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons.
Bro.
Oh, yeah, he's just hiding over there. Hey, who wants to go with me to get that guy? He's dead. He's not dead. He is not dead. But when I try to fucking push him?
Yeah.
Oh, I think they got him. I think they got him.
There's one down over there. There's another one though. Careful. He's right. Far right is safe. Watch left. Yo. Okay, I think we're gonna try to go for it. Oh, wait, wait. In the way.
One, 2, 3,
What's
4,
team name?
5 spoons.
Boom, okay.
Don't try to get that guy from over there right across, because there might be someone crouching behind him.
I got you.
I'd say follow out to blue base and leave that guy to him.
Alright, good deal.
I'll cover you. Go, 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 go. Gun hit. Holy shit. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. We'll cover you, man.
Inside that wooden bunker.
Copy.
Let me try to give around the other phone.
Okay, watch woods over there, okay? They're trying to aim down us. They're pushing us! Alright, cover me. I gotta tie my shoe. Alright, I am out. Because I got shot mid-tie shoe. Ow, ow. Ah, fuck, I'm hit.
I got your shield, does that count?
My hand.
Alright, you're up. You guys see down? Okay, going to form.
Be careful, man. Back! Hey, how's it going, dude? Long time no see, eh?
Hey, what team?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Thanks for
spoons.
tagging it, thank you. What? I dropped the bag. Shit. Where'd it go? Hunter tagged me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. What? 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons. Ow, bastard. Oh, that's sharp. That is sharp. Can't get you, man. I'm sorry. One, two, three, 4, 5 spoons. Spoons. Spoons.
I like that.
I like it too. We might have more spoons on that side, but I'm not too sure.
I like it.
Pushing forward.
Let him know, brother. Let him know.
Forward.
Over there. Here, watch this. It's not live though. I was hoping it might flush him. What about here?
Flag it to the right. Cover me. Back. Watch fire. Fuck did that come? Oh yeah. Ow. We're just walking around. Huh? Ah, fuck. Oh, Simon.
I'm fucking dying.
Same.
Come out. You two okay? Okay, those you guys will be right there. Okay. Guys. Alright, where's the DMR? Down here. We have to get those guys first. I'll be over here. That's our one and
Nathan, you want to take that side?
Yeah.
Wait,
Wait a second. Alright. Oh, fuck.
Hopefully they get flanked. Nathan, you just gotta make sure that no one sneaks up behind us too.
Yep. Oh, my God. I don't see anyone in that bunker anymore. Or they're just sitting there.
I'm just watching Village.
Nope, there's someone in there. Yep, I see him.
There's a lot of books there.
Oh yeah, chat, this is my new gun.
Hello.
Yoo-hoo! Fix him a blowout!
Care package?
Give us a care package, come on!
I really don't want to accidentally shoot.
Aim low then.
I mean, if you're aiming in the sky, like, why?
Mortar it.
Ah, yes. Oh, that is low, yeah.
Oh, you're not dead. I thought you knew that.
All the brush. At least we have good airflow here. There's still one in village, at least one I see.
Hello!
You winning?
They're moving back! UAV's gone.
I think village people are fighting their own fight, so.
Alright.
Are there still people in bunker? Can you see from that corner?
Well, let's see what I can do. I believe there's still someone in there.
There's a couple people moving in front of us.
That one? In the village?
Got one down, got one down.
Half village. They're nowhere near us yet, but they might.
Yeah, I've just been watching village. If they try to push up, I can probably pick them off.
I'll leave it to you.
Push up in village, 2 people.
Oh,
One is behind
they're
you.
facing the other way. They're facing the other way. I wouldn't
Alright.
worry about it too much.
One is in.
Keep an eye. What? Let's say smoke out.
Hopefully, there's people on the tree line making them busy. One moving in village to the right.
I'll keep counting. I'll keep an eye.
Yeah, he's going back. He's going back. Got movement to the left, the right.
Alright, you watch them.
Not too sure if they're moving closer, but I saw movement. Watch back once in a while, would you?
Yeah.
Alright, they're fighting their own battle.
I can't tell if that's a person behind that tree.
Where, Callum?
Just in the cluster of trees.
That's the guy that I got.
Oh, alright.
He's down. He chilling. We chilling. We all chilling.
We all chilling, dude.
Just chilling. Just vibing. Nothing wrong with it.
Literally.
Come on, guys. Get something going. I got a battery life, you know.
I got babies to spend, you know?
No, I got a battery life. I don't want the fight to start when I'm at 5%. Wonder if we're getting pizza after this.
Where is he?
Go over there, he'll tell you.
Watch village, there's 2 people.
I think I can hear I can see their heads maybe.
There was a fight over there. Not too sure if they're still in that bunker though. Saw them move that way a little bit, but they might have
Their goal is
just heard something. I think they're farther that way.
Yeah, they are.
Alright, we'll have to just be careful.
one guy in the bushes back there. Tom might get him. Okay, so watch out. He's shooting at us.
Is he in a fucking tree?
Yes! Dead.
Am I hitting him?
You should be.
I'll tell.
I can hear guys in town.
Alright.
Behind him.
I'm really tempted to go down there and try and push, but I don't want to die immediately.
Yeah, same. If you just want to cover that bench, I can try to get down.
could just start shooting. Where's the punching
Oh,
jack?
let me get on the other side.
Yeah. Where's the punching jack?
Okay, see how I'm shooting?
Yeah, right there.
They're just trying to keep their head up above it.
Be careful, Mason. There's at least 2 people over there.
Got it.
I have a hunch on who the person is, and I think I know why.
I already know who it is. We did the handshake, and he just grabbed my hand tight, and he smiled. He didn't say no.
See, it's the tall guy. It's
Hunter,
the,
yeah.
Is that what his name is? Yeah. See, because I heard it. I heard Jacob's hand move, or Jason's hand move when he was picking people. I heard his hand move right when he went by him.
I salute.
I don't like how they're all staring at. Tactical rug? Yo?
Yeah.
Here.
We were thinking like getting the campfire going, you know?
A tactical rug?
A tactical campfire.
Yes.
You just sit in a circle and cross our hands and be like, oh,
The
yeah.
council will decide your fate.
If I die, this is how I want to go out.
Just
The council
chilling.
will decide your fate.
Somebody throws a grenade into the middle.
Oh my god.
We just have to like roll out and tip the corners up.
Okay, we know he's...
Uh-oh. Ready, boys?
Just when we were getting comfy.
Dude, we...
Tactical rug!
Tactical rug!
Ah, shit.
No, shit! No, the rug!
Tactical rug!
Tactical rug.
Tactical rug!
Hey, that guy looks a little suspicious. His dead rag's picking out of his
sus.
pocket. Brother, you might want to tuck your dead rag in your pocket.
They're aiming towards like where Callan is, but like
Okay.
I believe
Okay.
closer to him.
As soon as you start shooting, you just pull the thing. We just cover ourselves.
Hey, brother!
I think this works as camouflage.
AK guy, you might want to tuck your dead rag in your pocket. It's kind of falling out a little bit. Almost shot you.
The tactical carpet.
Everyone thought it was bullshit until... Ah, the tactical rug!
Does anybody have eyes on him?
Yeah, I see him.
Get a sniper!
I think he's down.
He's dead.
His hands up.
He died so fast.
The tactical rug. Holy
All the plague doctors go...
No! The tactical rug is impenetrable!
They're all gonna aim for us, come on.
No, it's fine.
The only way it can go through.
It's okay. The moment that motherfucker stands up.
Oh shit.
Get ready.
Shit just went down.
Shit is going down.
Okay, I'm pretty sure all these guys...
Uh-oh.
All they gotta...
To the right.
Yeah, far right.
Cameraman, smile for the camera, boys. Tactical rug!
Tactical rug!
Tactical
Tactical
rug!
Howdy.
If you kill us, the council shall decide your fate.
We will execute orders.
He said keep him down.
Where the fucking children?
Good shot.
People are dying.
You reach for the pistol too.
Oh. So-
I'm kind of mad that you're not filming.
Okay, get ready. Get ready.
This is full bullshit.
Get ready for tactical defense.
Full meme soft right here.
As his shirt says.
They can't kill us if we're better.
If we're better defended.
Wow.
Superior.
The
Wait.
plague doctor's
Go
going
get in
nuts
here.
over there.
Uh-oh.
They might shoot.
Okay, as soon
If we see anybody
Oh,
shoot,
he's got the revolver out. That's a 7-shot revolver.
Shit's getting real.
oh,
he put the... Okay,
Yeah,
they're good?
They're good.
Are you guys clear? Are you guys crazies? Oh, really?
Again?
So then I know who the other one is then.
no, go away.
There's only
No, we
enough
can
room for
trust
just
them.
He's clean now. He's
We can
clean.
trust them.
He's been cleansed by the plague doctor.
I mean, you can just... No, never mind. I was going to say gun him down and have him
Tactical rug.
Tactical rug!
Right over there. Rotate the tactical rug. We have to turn this way.
All right. To the right.
Tactical rug. I don't even know how I didn't hit.
We just got pointed at.
No, the tactical rug is impenetrable.
We need people just to hold it up.
Yeah, you got it? All right, awesome. I can use both my hands now.
What?
Tactical.
Better get video of this.
You better get video of this.
Oh, my GoPro's rolling, dude. We got this all.
Oh,
Yeah!
Giant rug wall.
The tactical rug.
The Great Wall of
This
Rugs.
belongs on one of their event page pictures, like an advertisement.
Honestly, it
Hey man, if you
Eli,
bring
get a
out
good-
SD card, I can put it on my stream.
If we got it up and started marching
hell yeah.
forward with it, that'd be
Bogies
hilarious.
to the right.
I just have to
Y'all
figure
need
out how
to
to get it
march
back
with
to
it.
you.
You guys up for a portable rug wall?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, 3, 2, 1. Move! Don't trip over the tactical rug.
I'm not tall
Short
enough.
steps.
They wouldn't understand. All these other casuals would never understand.
Harry, this you filthy casual.
I need to get my barrel over here. Please keep it low enough so I can get my barrel.
Shields are temporary. The tactical rug is forever.
Oh, we got a guy. Got a dead man on the left.
left.
Dead on left.
Dead on the left!
Dead on right.
Hey!
Hold the
Wait,
wall.
hold!
Bend the rug.
They try to stand up,
We're
it's
all
over.
safe. We're all safe.
Bend the rug.
Down!
Rug down. Fucking phalanx, motherfuckers.
I'm using you as a bridge.
Have on there.
Yes.
8 or 9 guys down.
It's gonna be like shooting right next to your ear.
Don't stand up! It's game over if you do!
You'll be fucked 6 times.
Straight on your position.
Don't stand up!
The tactical rug will protect us.
Get the phalanx of assault rifles here.
got shot. I don't know what
And then this fucking
I think you
Come
went
on,
over
watch
there.
that side. We don't get fucking flanked and executed.
Yes, please.
That would be very bad.
I honestly probably should just stay.
Does
in
anybody
the
have
tactical
eyes on the
rug
guy that
corner.
was down in the corner?
Yep, I'm looking at it right now through the scope.
Shoot
What
his
about the guy on
ass.
the left? Yeah, on the left.
Do it?
No, do
No,
not.
Not
no,
if
no.
his hands are up. If he goes for a gun, blast his ass.
He's got
Oh, don't worry.
Just
It would
like
be
real life.
You might want to get out of the way.
For anything, blast his ass.
We got a lot of guns pointed over there. If you're alive, I'd move.
I wouldn't advise moving.
Come to the tactical rug.
Join the tactical rug.
We got enough of the tactical.
Only a select few can be with the tactical rug. AKA us.
Tactical advance? Or are we
Shoot the rat.
This is what we gotta do when
Tactical kill Jacob.
Tactical get banned from seeing.
Tactical Jason is dead.
Tactical speed run getting banned from it.
Hey, hey, hey! Get him! Get his ass!
He's hit.
Don't stand! You stay down!
Don't test it!
I know, he's already dead!
You get up, you're gonna regret it.
Plague Doctor! Hey!
Duck on the left.
Jacob! Jacob! Over there!
Alright, guys, there's a dead person, 2 dead people straight ahead.
Yeah, I see him, I see him.
Talking about these guys down here, they can't see over that pallet.
Yeah, no.
Hey! You bitch! No sudden movements!
Hey, undead!
Jacob! Get him! Save him!
Is he safe?
If he's alive, tell him to put his rag away.
Don't!
Yeah,
Don't,
he's not alive. That's what I thought.
No!
No! No!
Hold your ground.
No!
Wait,
Back off! No!
on the ground.
Back off!
Hey, no fair.
This is our tactical run.
To the chill corner!
Fall back to the corner.
Only cool people.
Pull back! Pull back to the corner! Back to the corner!
Undead on that side. Watch your
I'm down on that side!
No!
Put it down! Put it down!
You're gonna regret it.
Put it down!
Open fire.
Who's in the forest?
No!
Hey, we're safe!
Pull this out! Pull this out!
Got him!
I'm hit too.
We need a plate.
Fall behind the dead. Fall behind the dead. Move back.
Go!
Move back!
It's been an honor serving with you, brothers.
Jacob!
Flag dot. Most our team is
Come here.
down.
Come here, farther back, farther back, farther back.
Move back.
Hurry.
Corner!
Corner!
Move to the right. Here, give me on the inside. Give me on the inside. Yep.
Okay, okay. Use my shoulder again.
Okay. Mason, I respect you, but if either one of you stand up, it's game over.
Drop my mag. He just tosses his gun.
Understood.
On the ground.
Hey, 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 hey. Got her. Got her, got her, got her, got her, got her.
What's your gun?
Hey, somebody hide in the woods and guard her right. Sorry.
Put your gun on the ground.
Watch her right. Somebody watch her right in
Watch
the
your
woods.
right, watch your right. Someone with an AEG.
Scott, that means
Stay down.
A lower power AEG.
Okay.
tactical rogue circle.
We need a second rug.
Eli, go get Jacob. We need these two up. Or these three.
Tactical rogue.
Plank duck!
Hit the girl.
No!
Plank talk to her. No, I got hit right in the hat.
Oh, no! No!
Respect the carpet. Stay dead.
I mean,
I said respect the carpet! I got him!
the carpet.
I would recommend just keeping your scope on her the entire time.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Tactical rug forever! Hoist the colors!
It was my idea. I deserve to be in this section.
Try to get above the rug. Got it.
Yeah! Hey, 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 hey!
What open fire? Come on.
All right, I'll put this back.
Don't test me.